They're voting actually the first phase of voting, which is the postal ballots, almost 25,000 plus, ended on 8th. The election was, of course, yesterday, 13th, and that set the trend. Almost 80% voted one way to it is primarily the policemen and the teachers and the revenue department officials who are on election duty. And they voted in large numbers. I think it's about 85% polling percentage, postal ballots. And they voted one way, BJP. And I think our winning started with that. And when they vote, they also are vocal about it. And they are influencers. So I had almost 20,000 influencers who already voted, started working on that day. Same thing happened in 2014 elections. The postal ballot influencers actually voted earlier, 1 week early, and that set the trend. And in the last 3 days, actually the graph actually grew. And out of the 7 assembly constituencies in my Lok Sabha, Chevella, I think we are going to win each and every one. But what's amazing is generally there's a notion that the educated don't go out and wealthy and the educated and upper middle class don't go out and vote. This time in the gated communities, which before it used to be 18, 20, 25%. Now it was in sub-gated communities, highly educated, 60 to 80% voted, and I'm confident of the vote. But having said that, minus 50% rural area, and there BJP was very weak, weak in the sense in the assembly elections, in one assembly, Tandur, we got 4,000. Now we're going to get 1 lakh votes. It's not 25%, it's 25 times increase. And that's the kind of change I see from the assembly to now in 6 months. What we got in the total, all the assemblies put together, 3.35 or 3.35 lakh votes. Now we are getting close to 9 lakh votes. So it's a huge, huge, huge swing in 6 months.
So there is also increase in the polling percentage from the last time?
Yeah. Actually, yes and no. In some cases, it's Selingapalli, it reduces in some areas. Others, like I told you, the gated communities increased. So overall, it's a 2% increase. But in Selingapalli, it was almost same. The Andhra voters, they moved en masse to, they say, there's a claim that to Andhra, did not vote here. And so had they voted, I would have got another additional 1 lakh votes. But despite that, large numbers of educated coming out helped a lot. And Congress played a communal game, and that actually backfired on them. The Muslim voter percentage did not increase. It was well below 50% in the, if you want to call the slums and where the poor Muslims stay. And these booths have 98% Muslim voters. There the voting percentage was 45, 40, 43, 48. So that also